Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are diving into the concept of stages in Snowflake and how they play a crucial role in data loading. Let's get started. What are stages? Stages are a storage location where data files are temporarily stored. Think of a stages as a landing area or a buffer zone. They ensure the data is securely stored and easily accessible the data loading into Snowflake before they load directly loading into the tables. So basically the types of stages are internal stages, external stages and named stages. So coming to the first one, stages. These internal stages are managed by the Snowflake and the data will be stored within the Snowflake. So these can be table specific or user specific. Data is stored within Snowflake environment as I mentioned earlier. So coming to the external stage, external stages are used for data stored outside Snowflake like Amazon, S3 Blob, Storage or GCP Cloud, any external providers. You can link this by using some of the URLs and credentials. So, but these external storage are maintained by the outside, so the cost may be variant by depending upon the region like US East or US West, like these regions, by using the platform like AWS or GCP and like Azure Blob. Based on the platform, they will cost the external stages. And coming to the workflow of these the Snowflake stages. As you can see in the Snowflake, these are the external files like JSON, database, CSV files. All these files were loaded into the S3 in the external platform like data in S3 bucket like data CSV, like Azure Blob storage. These were get connected into the external stage of the Snowflake by using an by creating a external stage in the Snowflake. So these metadata table files are temporarily stored in the external stage. From this external stage, we will retrieve the data into our table by using copy commands. For internal stage, we use put command and we also copy from our Snowflake bases. So it so benefits of the Snowflake stages are basically having security. Stages provide a secure environment for data before get loaded into the Snowflake. Efficiency, they have help streamline data loading process, make it more efficient and manageable. Flexibility, with internal and external storage, you can choose the best storage solution for which fits your needs. And that's a quick overview of the stages in Snowflake. By understanding the stages effectively, you can optimize your data loading process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe for more insights into the data management in Snowflake. So in next video, we will try to create an external stage and next video into internal stage. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.